just breaking them into 5-minute groups. I'm not going to run no 30, 35-minute thing. Nobody will watch them then, they're too long, but they'll watch like 5 minutes worth. Yeah, finished and throw away. Throw away if you're done.
Still on.
Okay, there's another one over there. Hello, puppy.
Not a big fan of the Slam.
Everybody likes their Cobras.
Oh yeah, definitely. You can see it pulsating.
This looks like the people who got here early, parked, and wound up there in the middle of the show. Well, yeah, these are just people. You can tell by the cars. Oh my goodness, and they go over there too. Wow. Must be because it's the last one of the year. So everybody shows up. GTO. See some people leaving already. Oh, of course. Gotta love it. He painted USMC on his motorcycle.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, see from the side. Yeah. Grover Shelby. There you go. See, if I thought about it, if I knew it was going to be so nice out, or taking the cover off the Mustang, slap the battery back on because it's right there, run it through the washing machine, and come pretend.
Say, you should know this bike pretty well. Hey, you keep it up, I'll make it 5.
My wallet won't complain.
Exactly, mine will.
So next year, if the weather is nice like this, want to do that? Pretend like we belong, like we did in like we did in Somersworth. Okay, another 5 minutes.